Hello students, today I want to teach you a sample space related about our probability lesson. Okay, so in previous video I told you what is mean by random experiment and outcomes. Okay, so sample space is related with these two terms, random experiment and outcomes. So the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. That means all the possible outcomes, when suppose you are having one example that when you toss the coin, so there are possible outcomes are two, head or tail. So in that sample space you directly write down these two events or outcomes such as head and tail. So and sample space is denoted by the S or omega. Okay, so whenever you are writing the sample space for the any example, you denote it by the S or omega sign, and each element of a sample space is called as a sample point. That means H and T we called as a sample points, and the number of elements in a set S is denoted by N of S. Okay, so that means you have, if you are having the example of a coin, okay, so there are two possibilities, so we say N of S is equals to 2. Okay, if N of S is finite, then the sample space is said to be finite sample space. Okay, then we will see the some example of the sample space here. Some random experiments are there. One coin is tossed, then you are writing sample space is equals to S is equals to H comma T. Okay, so how many elements are there? 2. So we are writing here N of S is equals to 2. Okay, then you see second example, two coin are tossed. Two coin toss, that means there are four possibilities or four outcomes are there: head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. So we are writing our sample space as, and how many outcomes are there? 4. So here 4. Okay, then three coins tossed simultaneously. So three coins tossed, so there are 8 total possibilities which are given here. So HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. So we write down here N of S is equals to 8. Then you see that a dice is thrown. So all of you know that on the dice 6 numbers are there. So we are writing these 6 numbers. So N of S is equals to 6. Okay. Then when we throw the two dice simultaneously, so there are 36 possibilities. How you write down these 36 possibilities? You have to take one on the first dice and write down the one on second, same 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means with 1 you write down the 6 on the second dice. With 2 you write down the 6 on the second dice. As of same you make the 36. So here N of S is a 36. Okay. Then a card is drawn from a pack of a bearing number from 1 to 25. Suppose you are having the 25 cards and on each card's number are written from 1 to 25. So there is a sample space is a 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 25 and N of S is a 25. Okay. The next one is a card is drawn from the well shuffle pack of 52 playing cards. Well shuffle pack. In previous video I told you cards having the 4 different types of cards. First one is the diamond. So in diamonds, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. Same in spade, queen, heart and club. So there are 52 total cards. Understand? So it is very easy to write down the sample space and write down the number of sample space. The sample space for a coin tossed twice is same as of 2 coin tossed simultaneously. So the same is true for 3 coins. Okay. The sample space for a dice rolled twice is same as 2 dice rolled simultaneously. That means if we are making the record of the 2 dice simultaneously. Okay. So you solve your exercise 5.2 which is given here. Okay. Thank you.